SS 350. We got them metal blocks. We've got the silicon bits.
TRD Pro Action and the Nova. Edelbrock 4-barrel with an air gap performer intake. Nice shiny little headers down there. Man, this thing looks awesome. What are you doing? Hey, get back here. All right, so what are we doing, Nathan?
We're doing a state inspection on this 1973 Chevy Nova Super Sport that I've rebuilt.
So someone's coming to look at it.
Yep, unfortunately it's you.
I'm the state inspector. See, in Minnesota, you'd have to go do this. So you rebuilt the engine at M-State, Nova Ss, right?
That's right.
And when I was in engines class, I wanted to do an FJ60, and we weren't allowed to do it because it had a carburetor. That's a funny-looking fuel injector.
SS 350. We got them metal blocks. We've got the silicon bits. All right, this is very important. It keeps things cold when the motor is hot. It's very nice. This right here, do you see this? America. Okay, over here. Right here, we have interior bit that is patina turned to custom spec. It's very nice. Very lot of ladies come along. We have great time. And as you can see, it's the hatchback because hatchback. We have these straps here. We don't need them, but it's a safety concern. Somebody told me, I do not know. Very nice. SS, super sexy. Good time. Some more hatchback times 2 those. Double horse purse. For degrees. And then we come back to the second 350 badge. Now, 2 350 badges. Double the horse purse. Trust me, I'm an American.
You know, I thought the whole point of a Prius was so I didn't have to do this. Alright you guys, so I just thought that was kind of a little fun thing we could do. Lucian and I are still going to film the Avalon with the Mentos and the Coke in the crankcase for the oil change before that goes to the junkyard. And then we're still planning on doing the TRD Camry and the TRD Avalon driving reviews. Problem is, we've kind of entered the time of year where 4 o'clock it starts to get dark, so we're going to have to do that on the weekend, not after work, unfortunately. So that's how that's set up. One more thing, I got some tranny coolers out of radiators that we took apart at work. I have 2 of them. So my plan is to use those somehow for my liquid cooled system on the twin supercharged Fox body on those remote mounted supercharger plates. So I don't know exactly how that's going to pan out yet, but I know for sure I don't have room to mount heater cores under there. So I figured I had those sitting around. We'll try to figure something out with that. And we're investing a lot of time and ingenuity into a 302 that we might possibly blow up. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. 500 subscribers and we're giving away another tool. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.